Stop with that. Come on. Guys, come on.
안녕, 미스톨롱이야.
Oh, it's a vlog. I thought you were going to take a photo.
Why are you making your hair?
Hello guys, what do you feel right now?
Hungry.
So awkward. Where are you guys gonna go?
Yosu.
We're going to Yosu. Let's enjoy the day. It's kind of raining today. What can you say? Okay lang yan, magkikita naman kayo.
Do not open. I will explain to you later, okay?
YouTube channel. You're filming stupid things.
What?
Hello. Anya.
Some of them actually told me that they chose specific date because they want to have actually Mexicans. And first.
Hello guys. This trip is a free trip from like a Genie Culture traveling agency. They got a sponsorship from the Jeollanamdo province government to invite foreigners for this free trip to Yosu. So we applied for it and we got it, and now we're heading to Yosu, and it'll take like maximum of 2 hours traveling. So I'll update you later. Bye bye. Yeah, we just arrived here in the cable car. First is cable car. I'm here with my friends. Mini reunion with my friends. I feel like I'm really a tourist. Dang, I have this ID. I love it. So
They are vlogging already. They don't need to vlog.
no, they won't give me the copy. Should I ask?
Fuck my hand.
Yosu is in the province of Jeollanamdo.
Huh?
Next. And Yosu, it's like on the beach, southern part of South Korea. And our coordinator said if you say Jeollanamdo, it's the taste of Korea, because most of the food from Korea came from this province. So I'm honored to be here for free. So we're now here inside the cable car. Dang, this is perfect.
Oh my god, this is so scary!
Welcome to Yosu. We were divided into 2 groups. So, dang, this is perfect. Beautiful. If I will be given a chance to choose from here or Seoul, look at that. I prefer this place. I always love the view of the sea. teammate. 여기 teammate. How is this trip?
I had coffee, so it's good. But if I didn't have coffee, I would try.
Who's that guy behind?
My leg's bumpy.
So yeah, today I'm with this curly guy again. Curly guy.
안녕.
Your konyang opa. Konyang. Janine, how is your life in Suncheon?
Well, my life in Suncheon is like a life. It's real life.
It's real.
Yeah, I have balanced life. I eat, yes, I studied overtime, but I also eat a lot, so I sleep well.
Okay.
I don't know how I do that, but yeah.
Congratulations. It is scary, but it's really beautiful. You know, guys, because when I'm like, Mamadou, why is your hair curly?
Good question.
Why? Okay, we finished the cable car. So we're now taking a group picture. Closer.
Oh, I didn't know.
Show your beautiful face and handsome face.
Nah, I can't show mine.
3, 2, 1.
I love Yosu. Maybe.
I love myself. Are you filming?
Mr. Curling.
Me? He got a lot of fans. My God, he's so famous.
And now we're moving to the venue of the food festival. Yeah.
Who are you talking to?
Talking to myself all the time.
That's studying Korean for 1 year. Become like that.
We will have free
Mentally
food.
unstable mentally.
We will taste the delicacy of Jeollanamdo. 뭐 먹을래요? So I met a fellow GK student.
I'm from India.
And from Peru. Hi, nice to meet you.
Finally. Thanks a lot for your videos. They were so helpful. Oh my God.
It's my pleasure. This is the place where Expo is happening. There's food to eat for my lunch, for our lunch. We're looking for food to eat. This place is cool. It's a lot of food, mostly barbecue. I'm surprised because Expo is beside the sea, but why is it pork, not seafoods? Here's for my lunch. I got Jeonju bibimbap. Hi. Hey. Hey. Stop with that. Come on.
Come on. Go. I think you need two of them.
I think we need teamwork.
Okay, I'll bring them.
We already finished the barbecue thing, and now we're in the exhibition of food and spices. Tourist.
Yeah. You know. Stop it!
Wow, we're cooking.
Okay, so we are here now in the YEOSU exhibition hall for the food exhibition. So now you can see this is autumn. So autumn fruits for the autumn. So that's why the turantang. And it's like our gabi. You know?
Gabi.
The gabi. No,
Ah,
it's
gabi.
like our gabi. Look at gabi and a mix of radish and
This is Yeosu Dongdongju, Yeosu Makgeolli, Dongdongju, and Makgeolli Chang Makgeolli. Try different taste.
Okay, which one?
So now we're trying makgeolli. Makgeolli is a traditional liquor.
Okay, anyone who wants Jindo whiskey, the red one?
This is good. It's yummy.
We love free things.
Once, just try a little bit. Smell for cheers. Cheers, everyone.
These places are like Jeollanamdo. The places, the city of Jeollanamdo. We have Goho, Gosong, Changhung, Gwangyang, Mokpo, Gangan, and Naju, Wasun, even Gwangju, and their delicacy. Yeah, it's interesting. It's just amazing to see the food that we have here in Jeollanamdo. And most of the food is not just food, it's actually art. I will show you one.
So this one here, the picture of the cook, or let's say the chef of this food.
And look at that.
Wow. The hand, you know, right?
But the
It's
art.
yes.
It's not just food, it's an art.
It's not pretty, my God.
How can you eat that? It's too pretty.
Just pretty, believe me. The taste is really.
So our tour guide said those food that they displayed it's not really like for regular consumption. They only prepare that for special occasions like funerals. Hello. 네.
네, what?
How'd you like the masterpiece inside?
It was so beautiful. Like I really like that one of the lady explained to us like about she makes food for weddings.
Oh.
It was so pretty. And she makes them in like a so beautiful box.
How can you even eat that?
I don't know.
It's so
like,
pretty.
I would not want to eat it. I would just be like, it's so pretty. I'm just going to look at it.
Yeah.
They gave us beer.
For free. There's one drama. This drama, Uncontrollably Fun, was filmed, I think, here in this area. This is the seaside of Yeosu. Always pretty. Pada is always have a place in my heart. That one used to be a fountain. I really appreciate this free trip. I love it.
How is life in Gwangju?
In Gwangju, it's boring thing, but we're trying to make it worth staying.
How long have you been living in Gwangju?
1 year exactly.
Why?
I chose South Korea because it's exotic place, you know.
You want to go back to Tunisia?
No, not yet. I need to find more exotic places.
Our trip is almost.
It's almost over.
We're almost heading home, and it's so fast. Dang, tomorrow's Monday already.
Yeah, tomorrow is Monday.
Ah.
I have class tomorrow. I have to study. No holiday.
Thanks for watching. 감사합니다. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.